The idea of living on Mars has captivated the human imagination for centuries, a vision painted in the vibrant hues of science fiction and speculative futures. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the question of whether we could truly inhabit the red planet has transitioned from mere fantasy to a tangible possibility. This exploration of Mars, our closest planetary neighbor, encompasses not only the potential for colonization, but also the myriad challenges and profound implications that come with it. Mars, with its striking red surface, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, presents an intriguing landscape that has been the subject of intense study. Its similarities to Earth, such as the length of its day, the presence of polar ice caps, and seasonal weather patterns, make it a prime candidate for human exploration. However, the reality of living on Mars is far more complex than the allure of its beauty. The planet's thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, offers little protection from harmful radiation and does not support human life as we know it. Temperatures on Mars can plummet to -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and dust storms can engulf the planet for months, creating an inhospitable environment. Despite these challenges, the advancements in technology and our understanding of Mars have paved the way for serious discussions about colonization. Space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are investing heavily in research and development to make life on Mars a reality. The ambitious plans proposed by Elon Musk aim to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars within the next few decades. Musk envisions sending the first crewed missions to Mars as early as the mid-2020s, with the long-term goal of building a multi-planetary civilization. This vision, while audacious, is grounded in a series of incremental steps that include the development of reusable rockets, life support systems, and sustainable habitats. One of the most critical aspects of colonizing Mars is ensuring that the basic needs of human life can be met. Water, food, and shelter are the foundational elements of survival. While Mars is arid, evidence suggests that water ice exists beneath its surface and at its poles. The extraction and purification of this water could provide a vital resource for future colonists. Furthermore, innovative agricultural techniques, such as hydroponics and aeroponics, could allow for food production in controlled environments, reducing the need to transport supplies from Earth. The challenge lies not only in growing food, but also in creating a sustainable ecosystem that can thrive in Martian conditions. The question of shelter is equally pressing. Any human settlement on Mars would need to provide protection from radiation, extreme temperatures, and dust storms. Concepts for habitats range from inflatable structures to more permanent solutions like Martian regolith-based building materials. The use of 3D printing technology to construct habitats on-site is a promising avenue, as it could minimize the need for transporting heavy materials from Earth. These habitats would need to be equipped with life support systems that recycle air and water, creating a closed-loop environment that could sustain human life for extended periods. As we consider the logistics of colonization, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of establishing a human presence on another planet. The potential for contamination of Mars' environment raises questions about our responsibility as stewards of the cosmos. The discovery of microbial life, even in its simplest forms, could change our understanding of life itself and our place in the universe. The planetary protection protocols currently in place aim to prevent Earth organisms from contaminating Martian ecosystems and vice versa. As we venture forth, we must balance our desire to explore with the need to preserve the integrity of other worlds. Moreover, the psychological aspects of living on Mars cannot be overlooked. The isolation, confinement, and distance from Earth would pose significant challenges for human mental health. The first colonists would likely experience a profound sense of alienation, exacerbated by the vastness of space and the knowledge that help is millions of miles away. Creating a supportive community and fostering social connections will be essential for maintaining morale and mental well-being. This necessitates careful planning in the selection of crew members and the design of living spaces to promote collaboration and communication. The potential for living on Mars also raises questions about governance and societal structures. If a colony were to be established, who would govern it? What laws would apply? These are not trivial considerations. They touch on fundamental issues of human rights, resource allocation, and the balance of power. The prospect of a Martian society invites us to reflect on our values and the systems we have in place on Earth. Would we replicate the hierarchies and inequalities of our current world? Or could we create a more equitable society, informed by the lessons of history? As we look to the future, the colonization of Mars presents a unique opportunity for humanity to redefine its relationship with the cosmos. The challenges we face are daunting, but they also inspire innovation and collaboration. The pursuit of a Martian settlement could unite nations, scientists, and visionaries in a common goal, fostering a spirit of exploration that transcends borders. The technological advancements required for such an endeavor could have far-reaching implications, benefiting life on Earth in unexpected ways. The dream of living on Mars is not just about survival. It is about the human spirit's relentless quest for discovery. The journey to colonize Mars is, in many ways, a reflection of our intrinsic desire to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we embark on this journey, we must remember that the challenges we face are not just technical, they are deeply human. The stories we tell about our experiences, the connections we forge, and the legacy we leave behind will shape the future of not only Mars, but also our own planet. In contemplating the future of space colonization, we must also consider the implications for our understanding of life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life has long been a driving force in our exploration of the cosmos. Should we find evidence of life on Mars, it would challenge our assumptions about life's uniqueness and the conditions necessary for its emergence. The implications of such a discovery would reverberate through science, philosophy, and religion, prompting us to reevaluate our place in the universe. The potential for living on Mars also raises existential questions about humanity's future. As we grapple with issues such as climate change, resource depletion, and geopolitical tensions on Earth, the prospect of a second home in the solar system offers a glimmer of hope. Colonization could serve as a safeguard against potential catastrophes, allowing humanity to flourish beyond the confines of our home planet. However, this vision must be approached with caution and foresight. The lessons learned from our history on Earth must inform our actions as we venture into the cosmos. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in space exploration, the dream of living on Mars is both exhilarating and daunting. The challenges are immense, but they are not insurmountable. With each step we take towards this goal, we inch closer to realizing a vision that has inspired generations. The journey to Mars is not just a quest for survival. It is an exploration of what it means to be human, a testament to our resilience, creativity, and desire to reach for the stars. In the coming decades, we will witness unprecedented advancements in technology, science, and our understanding of the universe. The potential for human life on Mars, once a distant dream, is becoming increasingly plausible. As we forge ahead, we must remain mindful of the ethical, social, and environmental implications of our actions. The future of space colonization is not merely a question of whether we can live on Mars, but rather how we choose to inhabit it and what it reveals about our aspirations as a species. Ultimately, the dream of living on Mars invites us to reflect on our identity, our values, and our place in the cosmos. It challenges us to imagine a future where humanity is not confined to a single planet, but is a multi-planetary species, capable of thriving in diverse environments. The journey to Mars is a journey into the unknown, a quest that will test our limits, inspire our imagination, and reveal the depths of our humanity. As we look to the stars, we must remember that the true measure of our success will not be in the number of colonies we establish, but in the spirit of exploration and cooperation that guides us along the way.